Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I am going to show you how to put this into use. So I'm going to show you how to effectively use the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. So I'll let you know the skin type is best for all the things you need to know about this cleanser and how, like I said, to get the most out of it. So let's get straight into it. First things first, you want to put a few drops or pumps. I'm just going to use 2 pumps. 2 pumps is just what you need. It is quite runny. So massage it, warm it up on my palms and apply it straight on my face, like so. So this is what you want to do. You want to take your time to massage this on your face, on your skin, of course on your neck as well. And the way to get the most out of this is to, focus on the areas where you have proper congestion. So if it's your nose area, take your time, massage. You can see how I'm using my finger to massage this area because I have a lot of congestion there, and then my cheeks as well. So take your time, massage this into the skin and be very gentle. You can see how I'm doing this. So give your face that TLC. Keep massaging like this, because what this does is that it's a deep pore cleanser. So you just don't want to, apply it like this and feel it's done its job. And you always have to massage this on the face on dry skin. Do you understand? So you could even have makeup on. This works really well when you have your makeup on, like dirty skin after the end of the day, sunscreen and everything, because this helps to take off all the impurities, from the environment, makeup. So I'm also going to focus on under my eye, not directly under my eye, but around this area is a bit congested. So take your time and massage it, because this, as it says, is a deep pore cleanser. So you want to get the most out of it. So take your time. You can take as long as 1 minute, 60 seconds to do this. So I feel like I should get in now to the second stage, which is, okay, wait, hold on. Let's work on this area, Yeah, so, if a lot of times after doing this, you can you'll be able to see some like specks, because what happens is it takes off dead skin cells, it helps to unclog the pore and all that. Like, it's such an amazing cleansing step, and it's very gentle, and it's good on sensitive skin as well. You can see how I'm taking my time. So I'm sure I've spent up to 2 minutes, but that does not matter because I need to really work this in. And they're just like little black stuff on my hands, but I don't think the camera would catch it. But so now the next thing you want to do is to go in with a bit of water to emulsify this, basically to turn this milky. So I'm just going in with a bit of water. See, it's already turned milky. Gently do this and massage the skin even more. So that's how you want to do it. Take your time. And if you feel like it's not properly emulsified, feel free to go in with more water. So that's it. And so I have thoroughly rinsed my face. What you want to do is follow up with lukewarm water, not hot water, because hot water isn't the best for the face. So lukewarm water, rinse your face thoroughly. And most times, if your face is really dirty, after using this, rinse your face, then follow up with a second cleanser. It could be a foaming cleanser, it could be a cream cleanser, just to double cleanse, especially if it's nighttime. But honestly, if you have like sensitive skin and if you have dry skin, you can just do this as a single cleanse. It does not strip the skin. You can do this and that's fine, but ensure to thoroughly rinse your face. And the good thing about this cleanser, the benefits of this cleanser, why I like it is that it has amazing oils to it, which is like jojoba oil, macadamia oil, olive oil. They are so good when it comes to soothing the skin. So this is really lightweight and it's such a lovely cleanser, lovely cleansing oil. Like I said, it's okay for people with acne prone skin and people with dry and oily skin. So it's practically good for everybody. Do you understand? But it's now how to use it. So if you have oily skin, after using this on the face, especially at nighttime, follow up with your foaming cleanser to thoroughly cleanse your face. But if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, just use this, but make sure you thoroughly rinse it off, and or ensure you use this on dry skin first. Massage it just like I've done, so I showed earlier on, and then rinse it thoroughly. So that's basically how to get the most out of this product. Have you tried it before? Are you just let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see any other kinds of video as well, be sure to let me know in the comment section. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. I'm going to do the rest of my skincare. Bye.